This presentation is an overview of Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 User Features and Navigation by Sunrise Technologies. Microsoft Dynamics AX is a fully integrated ERP solution. It is a powerful solution capable of managing large global corporations, yet is also simple to learn and use. It has the agility to accommodate many types of businesses and industries through a flexible technical platform. Sunrise Technologies is a Microsoft partner with a gold ERP competency that focuses solely on sales, implementation, and support of Dynamics AX. This demonstration will focus on the overall user features of Dynamics AX. These features and functions are available throughout the entire system. When a user first logs into AX, he or she will see a role center. This homepage serves as a quick glance at information that is important to the user. The Role Center is based on SharePoint technology and can display any type of document or live reports. In this case, we see several key performance indicators for the company, such as our revenue and profit goals versus actual performance. There are visual indicators for the status of our performance for quick and easy reference. The data in the Role Center is interactive. A user can click on a report to drill down into more detail. These are dynamic, real-time reports that will refresh and change as data is entered into the system. We are currently displaying the reports in US dollars, but Dynamics AX has multi-currency capabilities. It can transact in various currencies as well as display reports in multiple currencies. On the right-hand side, there are messages related to workflow items and alerts that have occurred. Any field in the system can be set up with an alert to notify the user of data changes, expiration dates, and other events. The workflow function can be configured to ensure that proper procedures and approvals are followed for certain business functions. Let's look at a purchase requisition workflow as an example. This is the standard workflow for approving a purchase requisition. It is one of several pre-built workflows that is available within Dynamics AX. From this edit form, the user can also select other decision points, such as a conditional decision. In this case, I can add a condition regarding the accounting date of the purchase requisition. With the proper permissions, users can use this graphical tool to create new workflow processes as well as modifying existing ones. Now let's look at the main menu area for accounts payable. In terms of navigation, all areas of the system are laid out in a similar manner. There are commonly used forms in the upper left-hand corner, along with inquiries, periodic, journals, reports, and setups. When we open one of the forms, such as all vendors, we now see related records and details about those vendors. The ribbon bar across the top provides other related activities, such as procurement, invoicing, and a general tab. These tabs contain different actions we can perform on the vendor record. On the right-hand side, there are fast tabs, which contain pertinent information to the vendor record. Throughout the entire AX system, the user has the ability to attach any type of document or notes to a record. Here, we will select the vendor record for Earth Televisions and then click on the Attachments button. This example is a non-disclosure document that we may have signed with the vendor. We can attach it to the main vendor record for future reference. Any type of document can be attached, as well as free text notes. Another great feature of Dynamics AX is the Task Recorder. The Task Recorder will record all screen movements that the user makes. We will start the Task Recorder by clicking the Record button. The system is now recording all of the clicks being made. In this example, let's say we want to make a quick training manual on how to update our payment terms with one of our vendors. The task recorder is recording these changes, and now we can stop the task recorder and save it as a document. We can choose to have the output in a variety of formats, but let's choose Microsoft Word for now. The result of the recording is a detailed document showing the screens that were used and any value changes that were made. This tool is extremely valuable for creating training materials and business process documents. It can also be used as a troubleshooting tool to document steps that were taken. Now let's move over to the sales area. As you can see, the layout of the system is similar across all areas. Now we are looking at all of our customer records. We have a similar ribbon bar across the top, but now our options are related to customers, such as selling, invoicing, collections, etc. Another powerful feature of Dynamics AX is the ability to export data into Microsoft Excel. This is easily done by clicking the Export to Excel icon at the top of any form. Once the data has been exported, the user can filter the data, generate Excel-based reports, or even change the data and import it back into Dynamics AX. The user can also start from within Excel. Here, we will add the customer table to the workbook. Any table from within Dynamics AX can be pulled into this workbook. The standard fields will be pulled, and then we will also have an option to add additional fields to the view. In this case, we will pull in the customer's credit limit. Once we determine which fields we want to display, we can refresh it from the AX database. We now have the data for each of the columns. Now, let's change the credit limit on one of the customer's accounts from within Excel. We can then publish the data to make this change directly to the AX database. This can be very useful for updating large amounts of data in AX. Of course, this function can only be performed with the correct user permissions. Dynamics AX also has integration points to Word as well. Word templates can be created to capture data fields from within AX into the template. A good example of this is a sales quotation. In this case, we are exporting the data from the Dynamics AX quote into a Word-based template. We can use this functionality to easily create forms in a familiar tool such as Word while automatically populating it with data from Dynamics AX. Dynamics AX is also available in many different languages. Customer and vendor documents can be printed in alternate languages, and the user interface can be seen in the user's native language. This is an example of the main user interface in Spanish. Fields that were added to the system by the user will not be translated, but any field that is standard to the system will appear in the new language. The final feature that we will discuss in this demonstration is the Enterprise Portal of Dynamics AX. The Enterprise Portal is a web-based view of the system available to customers, vendors, and employees. In this case, we have logged in as an employee named Emil. Emil's Role Center is available through the web browser, along with other functionality from Dynamics AX. Several role-based configurations of the portal are available out of the box, but others can be modified or created to suit individual needs. Emil can navigate through the ribbon bar at the top to access web-based functionality for his role, such as procurement, sales, compliance, etc. This concludes our presentation of Microsoft Dynamics AX user features and navigation. If you would like to see more, or if you have any questions about this demonstration, please contact info@sunriseconsult.com or call 336-722-6600. 6741. Thanks for watching.